In this video, I'll show you how to add a YouTube link to your Roblox profile on mobile. From your Roblox home screen, press on More in the bottom right, and then scroll down to where it says Settings. Press on that. From here, we're going to select Account Info at the top. That's going to load, and if we scroll down, you can see that there is an option for social networks, and the third one down, I have my YouTube channel linked. So to do that, I'm just going to clear it, and we need to come over and open up YouTube. Select your profile and come into your channel, and in the top right, press on these three dots, and then select Share. So what you want to do is copy the link to your YouTube channel and open up Roblox and simply paste your YouTube channel link in. So if we go ahead and hit save, it's not going to work. It's going to say the YouTube URL is invalid. So what we need to do is take out this stuff at the end so that it simply just says your channel name. So if we now hit save, you can see it was saved successfully. So that's how to add a YouTube channel link to your Roblox profile.